Kirly-sue and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making Jamaican seasoned cabbage. It's a really quick, easy and really delicious recipe that I'm making just for you. And you can use for this either sesame oil, or today I'm using avocado oil. So just a little splash of avocado oil. That's all you need, not a lot. This is quite a quick recipe, so it's really quick and easy to make, very flavorful, very healthy as well. So I'm just going to use a small sweetheart cabbage. So I'm only going to use half of it today, and then I'll put the other half back in the fridge for another recipe. Put that in. Alright, and it doesn't need a huge amount of ingredients, but all the ingredients and the full recipe is in the description box below. And if you're joining me, please feel free to say hi in the comment section. I love to hear and see all of you guys who are watching. So I've just cut up half of the cabbage for the stir fry cabbage, so I'm just going to pull this apart while we're waiting for the actually no, we won't pull it apart. I'm going to chop it up and then I'm going to wash it. So let me just chop it on the side here. So how you do it with put your finger almost like a claw with that one on top. With this, you hold the knife, these two fingers, and then wrap the other three around. And then it's almost like this is an extension of your arm. And then you just chop it up. Don't need to chop this too thinly. Into a bowl. This you can see. I put that into a bowl. I'm going to give that a quick wash, and then just before we wash that, the oil is heated up. So I'll adjust you so you can see. So we're going to put in one small onion that I've chopped up already. I'm just washing the cabbage. Right, that's the cabbage washed. So there's one small onion. If you're joining me, we're making stir fry cabbage. So we put in one small onion that we've chopped up, and then I'm going to do 3 cloves of garlic. So I've got a garlic press, so I'm just going to press it through the garlic press. So that's one. You can just scrape it off. And this is a really inexpensive recipe to make, and it's probably got stuff you've already got hanging around your kitchen anyway. If you have any comments, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Even if you just want to say hi and where you're tuning in from, that'll be really great to know. The sweet corn. I'm adding the sweet corn instead of the red pepper because I don't have any red pepper. There's a splash of colour. Use sweet corn instead. You can kind of make this your own with whatever vegetables you want to add. And then now we add the cabbage. I've washed the cabbage already. We add the cabbage. If there's any that need to be pulled apart, just pull them apart. Instead of having rice, you can have some stir-fry cabbage instead. Much better for you. It's also great for if you're trying to lose weight or maintain your figure. This is really good, and it's a nice alternative, because some alternatives when you're trying to lose weight or to cut down on carbs are not nice, but this is a nice one. So we put that in, and then we're going to add a little bit of Caribbean seasoning oil, about half a tablespoon. Put that in. Don't want to put too much because it can be quite salty. You put that in, and this will kind of cook down and shrink in the size, the volume sort of. Okay, so we've got the Caribbean seasoning oil. You can put a little bit of salt, but I won't bother because the Caribbean seasoning oil is quite salty. And then you can add some soy sauce, or today I'm going to use coconut aminos instead of soy sauce. So add the soy sauce. Just a little bit of that. And then I'm going to add the vegan mushroom stir-fry sauce. It's suitable for vegans as well, even though it says vegetarian. So you add a nice splash of that. This makes it taste like you went to the takeaway. Don't put too much, just a nice dollop of that. And you stir that round so the flavours get to every part of the dish. And then we're going to let this cook down for about 5 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. Wow, it looks and smells delicious. That's our timer. So time's up. So now all we need to do now is put it on a plate. Alright, so I have a plate now. I'll plate this up. So I'm going to be eating it now. This is actually my lunch. So let me turn the fire off. There you go. It's as simple as that, but it's just so tasty, and it's a very healthy way to eat as well. And this is a really good dish to accompany other items. So you can have this with some soy chunks, or you can have this with some chickpea curry, for example. Anything that you choose, you know, just put a protein with it as well. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. Thank you for watching. Share this video, please, wherever you can on social media. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.